Students use base 10 blocks to show decomposition of 10 multiple ways. Now this chart is asking to decompose 10 as sum of 3 numbers. So I pick randomly, these are all 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 10. I will go ahead and make my units. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 10. Now I take 2 blanks. So here I'll show 10 as sum of 2 numbers. These are 10. And I split them into 2 groups. This is 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 units and 6 units is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now this one is sum of 3 numbers. I have to show here as sum of 3 numbers. So I'll go again and I already have that. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. Here, I'll bring the sheet back. Sum of 2 numbers is 10. Go ahead and 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. This one, 3 numbers. So I will pick. Hope I'm not getting the same. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 plus 2. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Here, sum of 2 numbers is 10. Something that I don't repeat. Here I did 4 plus 6 and 1 plus 9. So let's see if I can make another one. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is also 10. 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 3. 5 plus 1 plus 4 is 3. Right here. 7 plus 3 is 10. Do I have 7 plus 3? No. 7 plus 3 is 10. One last one. 9, 3, 4. 2 plus 8 is also 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations and answers. These are sample answers, but they'll guide the students to work on the activity.